Good evening. I'm going to do something today that I do periodically on my vehicles, and that's cleaning these nasty lenses. Over time, driving, hitting bugs and stuff like that, it messes up the lens pretty good. You can go to the detail shop and they'll charge you a little penny to get them clean, or you can do them yourself with things that you have around the house. What I normally use is just a simple bug barrier. The one important thing about using the bug barrier is it has to have the ingredients DEET, that's DEET, in it. And if you look at this one, you'll see it right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. The writing's so small, but this one has 25% DEET in it. And DEET is the thing that's going to actually clean the bugs, splatters, and everything off of these lenses. So I'm not going to make this a long story. I'm just going to show you how I clean these lenses. And you just pretty much you take a piece of paper towel, spray the bug barrier onto the paper towel. As so. As you can see, that thing is pretty nasty. You spray the bug barrier on there, and it wipes off. Simple as said. Wipe off. Look at that. That's amazing. Like I said, the simple things that you have around the house can save you some money. You go to the detailer and he'll charge you to clean these lenses, and basically all he's going to do really is not the same thing. He's just going to take some kind of agent and clean it. Well, as you can see, that turned out pretty good. Sorry about the dropping the phone there. I didn't mean to do that, but accidents do happen. But I hope you was able to pick up on this little quick, simple cleaning, car cleaning method here, lens cleaning. And be out there and go out there and clean your lenses so your lights can shine bright at night and you can be safe out there. Well, that's the tip for today. I might post some more later on. I do a lot of little things, and no telling. I might give you another tip later on, save you a little buck, because we can always use saving a penny. Penny saved is a penny earned. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.